Dear friends, in class 7, in chapter number 4, simple equation, we are solving first question, and in that F question is 5 upon 2x is equal to 25 upon 4. We have to solve this equation. I have already told you, if you multiply by reciprocal of the given fraction, then also we can solve it. So, I am using a little lengthy method, but you can use a short method, that is multiplying both sides of equation by reciprocal of the fraction. So here I am going to use two steps. So first is multiply both sides of equation. Multiply both sides of equation. Both sides of equation by. It was dividing, so I am multiplying by 2. Please understand, 2 was the divisor here, so we have used multiplication operation. We have to do the opposite operation. It means 2 multiplied by 5 upon 2x is equal to 2 multiplied by 25 upon 4. So this is equal to 2 eliminates with this 2, so you will have 5x is equal to, now this is also reducible. Please note, 2 1s are 2 2s are, so this is equal to 25 upon 2. Now, in order to eliminate this 5, we have to divide by 5. Since it is multiplying, we have to do the opposite operation. So here, divide both sides of equation. Divide both sides of equation. Both sides of equation by 5. So you will get 5x upon 5 is equal to 25 upon 2 divided by 5. So 25 upon 2 is divided by 5. Please try to understand. Here you can write like this also, 1 upon 5. Now this is reducible. This 5 cancels with this 5. You have 5 5s are 25. So answer is 5 upon 2. X is equal to 5 upon 2. Let us check whether our solution is correct or not. So for checking, I have told you, we have to put the same value in left hand side. So put, for checking, put x is equal to 5 upon 2 in LHS. So we have LHS is 5 upon 2x, that is equal to 5 upon 2 multiplied by x is also 5 upon 2. Please note, don't get confused. This 5 upon 2 is the multiplier and this x is also 5 upon 2. So you will have 5 5s are 25 and 2 2s are 4. That is equal to right hand side. It means our answer LHS is equal to RHS. It means our answer x is equal to 5 upon 2, x is equal to 5 upon 2 is the solution of given equation. I have already told you, if you multiply by reciprocal of the fraction, we can still get the solution. Let us solve by second method. That is multiplying both sides of equation. Multiply both sides of equation by reciprocal of the given coefficient. So 5 upon 2's reciprocal is 2 upon 5. We will get multiply by 2 upon 5. So you will get 5 upon 2 x multiplied by 2 upon 5 is equal to 2 upon 5 multiplied by 25 upon 4. So please note, these 2 eliminates with these 2, 5 eliminates with 5, so left hand side is left with only x. Now this 2 eliminates with this, you will have 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 5 eliminates with 5, so you have x is equal to 5 upon 2. So please note, we have got the same solution in a single step. Dear friends, we have next problem, G number problem, 7m plus 19 upon 2 is equal to 13. Now please note, this term contains the variable, this term does not contain the variable. So we need to eliminate the second term, which does not contain the variable. So in order to eliminate 19 upon 2, we have to transpose 19 upon 2 the right hand side. Please note, here it is positive, so if when it is transposed, it will become negative. So let us transpose first. Transpose 19 upon 2 to RHS, to the right hand side of equation. So we will get 7m is equal to 13 minus 19 upon 2. Please note it was positive, so I have changed the sign. Now this is 13 to the 26. Since no denominator is there, in order to have a denominator, same denominator, we need to multiply the fraction by 2. So you will get 26 upon 2 or 26 minus 19 upon 2. Now 26 minus 19, that is 7 upon 2. So we have got 7m is equal to 7 upon 2. Now we have to eliminate 7. Here 7 is multiplying, so we need to do the opposite operation. So opposite operation is division. Divide both sides of equation. Divide both sides of equation by 7. So we'll get 7m upon 7 is equal to 7 upon 2 divided by 7. That is, you can say it is dividing 7. So here this 7 eliminates with this 7, this 7 eliminates with this 7. So here you will have 1m left and this side you will have 1 upon 2. Let us check whether our solution is correct or not. We have got m is equal to 1 upon 2. So let us check. For checking, we have to put m is equal to 1 upon 2 in LHS. So when you put m is equal to 1 upon 2 in LHS, we have 7m plus 19 upon 2. This is our LHS. We will get 7 multiplied by half plus 19 upon 2. That is equal to 7 upon 2 plus 19 upon 2. Please note, denominators are same, so we can do the addition of this. So you will get 19 plus 7, that is equal to 26 upon 2. 26 upon 2 is nothing but 13. That is 13, that is equal to RHS. Please note, we were solving LHS, we have got the RHS. Means LHS is equal to RHS. It means our answer is correct. Thus, m is equal to 1 upon 2 is the solution of given equation. Dear friends, we have next problem. 6z plus 10 is equal to negative 2. That is 6z plus 10 is equal to negative 2. Please note, please make the difference between z and 2. Many students write z like 2 and 2 like z. So you see that your examiner don't get confused while checking. So I have used this type of z. You can use the way you want, but please be careful that it must not look like 2. So please note here, now our question is 6z plus 10 is equal to negative 2. So we need to eliminate the term which does not contain z. So here first that is to be eliminated is 10, and here it is to the left hand side it is added. So we need to eliminate 10 by transposing. When we transpose 10 to the right hand side, it will become minus. So transpose positive 10, transpose 10 to RHS. So it will become 6z is equal to negative 2, negative 10. Please try to understand. This 6z is as it is, negative 2 is as it is. Only 10 is transposed to the right hand side, and since it was positive, it has become negative. So we will get 6z is equal to, both are having same sign, so operation is addition and sign is negative. Now we have got 6z is equal to negative 12. So divide both sides. Here 6 is multiplying to the variable. It means we have to divide it. Opposite operation is division. Divide both sides of equation. Divide both sides of equation. Both sides of equation by 6. So you will get 6z upon 6 is equal to negative 12 upon 6. So 6 we will eliminate with the 6. You will have z is equal to 6 2s are 12, negative sign will be left. It means we have got z is equal to negative 2. Let us check whether our solution is correct or not. For checking, we put z is equal to negative 2 in LHS, in left hand side of the equation. So LHS is 6z plus 10, that is equal to 6 into negative 2 plus 10. It means negative 12 plus 10. Negative 12 plus 10 is equal to negative 2. That is equal to RHS. Please note here opposite signs were there, so we have to do the subtraction. 12 minus 10 is 2 and give the sign of bigger magnitude integer, hence it becomes negative 2. Now LHS is equal to RHS, it means our solution Z is equal to negative 2 is correct. Thus Z is equal to negative 2 is the solution of given equation. Dear friends, next problem is 3L upon 2 is equal to 2 upon 3. So here we have to eliminate 3 upon 2. If you multiply both sides of equation by 2 upon 3, this fraction will get eliminated. So in order to eliminate the fraction, we can multiply both sides of the fraction by the reciprocal, by its reciprocal. So multiply, I am using the short method, multiply both sides of equation by reciprocal of the fraction, that is 2 upon 3. See what we get. 2 upon 3 multiplied by 3 upon 2 L is equal to, we have multiplied 2 upon 3 to LHS, we have to multiply by the same number to the RHS. So this is 2 upon 3 and this is our multiplier. So please note, these 2 eliminates with 2, 3 eliminates with 3, so we have got only L to the LHS, and to the RHS we have 2 2s are 4 and 3 3s are 9. Please note, these are not reducible. So we have got L is equal to 4 upon 9. Let us check whether our solution is correct or not. So in order to check the solution, we put L is equal to 4 upon 9 in LHS. So our LHS was, left hand side was 3L upon 2. Now in this, let us put 4 upon 9. So you will get 3 upon 2. L is 4 upon 9. You can eliminate 3 3s are 9 and 2 2s are 4. So you will get the answer 2 upon 3, that is equal to RHS. It means we have got LHS is equal to RHS. It means our solution is correct. Therefore, L is equal to 4 upon 9 is the solution of given equation. Dear friends, we have last question from the first question, and it is J number. 2b upon 3 minus 5 is equal to 3. Now, please note, the second term does not contain variable. So we need to eliminate that term first, which does not contain variable. So please note, here it is negative 5. So in order to when we will transpose negative 5 to the RHS, it will become positive 5. So transpose negative 5 to RHS. So we will get 2b upon 3 is equal to 3 plus 5. Please note, it was negative, so when we change the sign, it became positive. We already written, while transposing, we change the sign. So here we have got 2b upon 3 is equal to 8. Now we have got 2b upon 3 is equal to 8. I have already told you how to eliminate this fraction. If we multiply by reciprocal, if we multiply by its reciprocal, we can eliminate the fraction. So to eliminate the fraction, multiply both sides of equation by by reciprocal of 2 upon 3 is 3 upon 2. So we have to multiply by opposite, that is 3 upon 2. So you will get 3 upon 2 multiplied by 2 upon 3b is equal to 3 upon 2 multiplied by 8. Now please note, 2 at the denominator, 2 at the numerator, 3 at the numerator, 3 at the denominator cancels each other. We have b left to the left hand side. This is equal to, now 2 4s are 8. So 3 4s are 12. We have got b is equal to 12. Let us check whether our solution is correct or not. So put, for checking, put b is equal to 12 in left hand side of the equation. Now left hand side is 2b upon 3 minus 5. This is equal to 2 upon 3. These value we have got 12 minus 5. Now please note, this is reducible. 3 4s are 12. So you will get 2 multiplied by, or you can do the multiplication first. 12 2s are 24. 24 upon 3 minus 5. So 23 8s are 24. So you will get 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is 3, that is equal to RHS. Thus, we have got left hand side is equal to RHS. It means our solution is correct. Hence B is equal to 12 is the solution of given equation.